Yes, hello students and welcome everyone. Good morning to all. I hope
Good
I
morning,
am
sir.
yes. I
Good
hope
morning, sir.
I am clear and audible to A, B, and C people, right, students? And the
Yes,
ongoing topic is differential equation. In the previous class, we were discussing exercise 9.4. Some last questions, 3 questions perhaps were remaining. There were problems, some doubts may be there. It's good if we discuss. Beginning with Aditi Tomar, B section. Attendance part will take care in the end of this class. So Aditi Tomar, will you read the next question perhaps? Which question, students, to be discussed? In
sir.
the
Which question?
20.
20th question is the today's work. Aditi, 20th question.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
20th question, please. I request each and everyone to be ready with their notebook and textbook so that when I call their name, not even a single second they should take extra. Yes. Aditi.
Sir,
9.4, 20th question.
in a bank, principal increases continuously at the rate of R% per year. Find the value of R if rupees 100 doubles itself in 10 years.
Okay. So principal means principal amount actually increases. The principal amount is P, then this is increasing continuously at the rate of R% per year. It means that I think with respect to time, so the rate of increase of principal amount with respect to time, rate of increase of principal amount with respect to time, dp upon dt, right? This is increasing, means what should I write? Proportionate sign I should use, the students. R%, but R% of what? R% of what? R% of the original amount, है ना? यही तो मतलब हुआ rate of increase का, कि the principal amount which we have deposited in bank is now increasing, and the rate of increase in 1 year, how much amount will be there? It will be R%. So R% means R% of the original
Sir?
amount. Yes.
सर log 2 की वैल्यू दे रखी है 0.6931.
Log 2 is 0.6931. 331. Okay. So is this right? Should I use proportionate sign or equal to sign? Students, should I use increasing continuously at the rate of R% per year? I think equal to sign, right? Because directly given it is correct. Then what is our target? Our target is we have to find the value of R. We have to find the value of R, where R is rate, and we have been given some information. Yes, if you see the last line is that rupees 100 double itself in 10 years. Rupees 100 double itself in 10 years. So if you remember yesterday, in the yesterday's class, we were writing some initial conditions. So can you tell me from this information what initial condition can we derive, students? Can someone tell me that rupees 100 double itself in 10 years? Some information is given. It means that initially, it means that at t equal to 0, what is given? P equal to 100 is given. And at t equal to 10, In years, the unit will be in years. P equal to how much? P equal to double. Double means 200. Right? This is. Now, let us begin with this equation dp upon dt equal to p r upon 100. Keep in mind that p is variable and r is what? R is constant. Keep in mind. So, now we have to integrate by separating the variables. So, dp upon p equal to r upon 100 into dt. Correct? Then let us attach integral sign. Right? So, how much will be the integral of this dp upon p? Log p. इसको कैसे इंटीग्रेट किया जाए? Plus c also let me do constant of integration. Students, how to integrate this r upon 100 dt? Students, how to integrate this r upon 100 dt? Devanshi Jain? Devanshi, switch on your mic and tell, because the other people will not be able to see these messages. Devanshi Jain?
TR upon
हाँ,
TR upon 100.
yes, yes. क्यों? क्योंकि r upon 100 constant है, out. R upon 100 is out. Integral dt is t plus c. Now I have to get the value of this constant and some more other values by using these two informations. So let us put the first set of information, substituting t equal to 0 and p equal to 100. So log p equal to 0 plus c. So c p की जगह पे 100, log 100 equals to. Students, keep in mind that log 100 with base e it is, not with base 2, base 10. Right? In chemistry you must be habitual of writing log 100 as 2, but that is with base 10. So keep as it is, log 100 only. I have got c here. Now putting the other values, t equal to 10 and p equal to 200. So if I write this, I'll get log 200 equal to r upon 100 into 10 plus c. C already have calculated. This is log 100. So here r upon 10 equal to log 200 minus log 100. You should know, you should remember that log a minus log b is log a upon b. So this will become log 200 upon 100, right? Which means finally log 2. So here r is equal to 10 log 2. And how much log 2 is given? As you have told, log 2 that 0.6931. Just check the answer. Is this the answer? Students, this is the value of r. This is the value of r. Correct? So this is the question number 20 we completed. I request you all that please keep writing, and one more request, that please get involved in the discussion. When I am asking, throwing the questions for you, catch it and reply, switching on your mic through voice only. Okay? Harsh from B section, will you read the next question, 21st question? Harsh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Harsh, have you completed this 20th?
Yes, sir.
Yes. 21st, please read.
In a bank, principal increases continuously at the rate of 5% per year. An amount of rupees 1,000 is deposited with this bank. How much will it worth after 10 years?
Okay.
It,
Okay, Harsh, stay online. Repeat.
yes, sir.
Can you repeat the question? Let me
Yes,
write
sir.
the things
In a
now.
bank,
Hmm.
in a bank,
Hmm.
principal increases continuously at the rate of 5% per year.
1 minute. Principal amount increases continuously. It means the rate of change of principal amount dp upon dt is equal to 5%.
Yes, sir.
So
Per year.
5% of what? 5% of p. Okay, next.
An amount of rupees 1000 is deposited with this bank.
It means that at t equal to 0, how much is p? How much is p? Harsh?
Yes, sir.
How much is p at t equal to 0? See, 1000 rupees are deposited in bank. It means initially, in beginning, principal amount was 1000. Next,
The, how much will it worth after 10 years?
how much? How much?
How much worth after 10 years?
How much will it worth after 10 years? Means at
Yes, sir.
t equals to 10, p equals to how much? They are asking. Okay, let us begin. Let us separate the variables and integrate and solve this equation. So dp upon p equal to 5 upon 100 into dt. Okay, integral sign on both the sides plus c. Log p, 1 upon p integral will be log p equal to 5 100 means 1 upon 20, that will be out. Integral dt will be t. Okay, some simple. Then use this t equal to 0. P equal to 1000. I'll get log 1000 equals to 1 upon 20 into 0 plus c. It means that c equal to log 1000. So c equal to log 1000. Okay, is it visible to you, students? Can you see it, students? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then mm, the next is after 10 years. So here log p is equal to 1 upon 20 into t plus log 1000. Okay, and then after 10 years at t equal to 10, you can find out how much principal amount will be there. Let us simplify. Log 1000 bring in the left side, log p minus log 1000, it will be 0.5, and this will be log p upon 1000 equals to 0.5, and if log of something is 0.5, then that something p upon 1000 will be equal to e raised to power 0.5, right? So e raised to power 0.5 must be given in the question, is it? What is that value, Harsh? E raised to power 0.5 is how much? Huh? Students, what is given?
Yes, sir.
How much e raised?
1.6
Huh?
1.648.
This is. So final answer is rupees 1648 rupees. 1648 rupees. This will be the amount after 10 years. Right. I hope it should be the right answer. You can complete it and check it. And if you analyze this entire solution, the only important thing was writing this line and knowing this information is given. Right. And after that it is simple, very simple integration and simplification. So do it and complete it. So in these word problems you have to read the question and write the correct equation. Right, this much. Next question, Pratibha, will you read the next 22nd question?
Yes, sir.
22nd question. Yes, please.
In a culture, the bacteria count is 1 lakh. The number is increased by 10% in 2 hours. In
Bacteria
how many
count, if
hours
I assume by n, then in beginning how much bacteria is there? First line.
The bacteria count is 1 lakh.
Okay, next. Next.
The number is increased by 10% in 2 hours.
Okay, 1 minute. So n equal to 1 lakh at t equal to 0. Then at t equal to 2, the number is increased by
10% in 2 hours.
10%. 1 minute. Then n will be 1 lakh plus 10%, 10 upon 100 of 1 lakh. So let me calculate how much it will be. It will be 10 lakh, 1 lakh plus 10,000. It will be 110,000. Yes. Okay. Next. Yes. Next line.
In how many hours will the count reach 2 lakh
Okay.
if the rate of growth of bacteria is proportional to the number present?
Okay. They are saying that in how many hours the count will reach 2 lakh if the last line, if you see, the rate of growth of bacteria, number of bacteria I have assumed n, then the rate of growth means increase of bacteria, dn upon dt. In the last line, it is very clearly given the rate of growth of bacteria is proportional to the number present. Proportional to the number present. This is given. And this is the, I feel, most important line of the question. So, the rate of increase of bacteria means dn upon dt, with respect to time obviously, is directly proportional to the number already present, proportional to n. And you know well that how, if you remove this proportionate sign, then what will happen? Then equal to sign will come and a constant will come in multiply. So some constant into n, right, where k is a constant. Keep in mind that capital N is a variable, and variables and constant, this difference matters a lot. Constant can be taken out of integral, whereas variables cannot be taken out of integral sign. Then let us integrate by separating the variables. So this I can write dn upon n equals to k dt, attach integral sign on both the sides, plus c, right. Left side integral will become log n, and this will become equal to kt plus c. And let us use this first set of information and second set of information. Okay, k and c, two constants are there. To get the value of these two constants, two informations are given. So first, using equation information 1, so I'll get log 1 lakh is equal to 0 plus c, which means c is equal to log 1 lakh. Here also it is with base e, so will remain as it is. It is not with base 10. Then using information set 2, log 2 lakh equals to 2 hours, t equals to 2. So k into 2 plus c. It means that log 2 lakh equal to 2k plus c value is log 1 lakh. Okay. Then 2k will be equal to log 2 lakh minus log 1 lakh. So log a minus log b is log a upon b. So this will become 2k is equal to log.
Sir,
Yes.
सर n इक्वल टू 1
सर
लाख
वो
है
n इक्वल टू 110,000 है,
Oh, I'm
वो
sorry.
log 2 lakh की जगह.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. 110 it is. 110 it is. So 110, then log a minus log b is log a upon b. So 2k is equal to 1100. है ना, 110,000 divided by 100,000. Yes, so k is equal to half log 1.1. So here I have got k, here I have got c. Let me put it there, and n equals to 2 lakh. पर t कितना होगा वो भी फाइंड आउट करेंगे. So log where is the equation? That is the equation. This log n is equal to half log 1.1 into t plus log then this value I have to find. So let us substitute n equals to 2 lakh. So log 2 lakh equals to half log 1.1 into t plus log 100,000. So half log 1.1 into t is equal to log a minus log b is log a upon b. Log 2 finally it will be. So t equals to 2 log 2 whole upon log 1.1. Students, is this the answer, or they have simplified it further? Just check and tell. Students, is this the answer? Huh? Tell me, is this the right answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, right.
No. Unit will be what? Will be hours or whatever, isn't? So this is the last. This was the last question. Last question. Or any more question is there? Any optional question is there? Maybe. Students? Huh? I think 23rd question is there. That also let us see. I'll ask you people. 23rd. This hours or minutes or whatever you can write. The question is dy upon dx equals to e to power x plus y, right? And we have to solve it. Students, how to separate the variables? Can someone tell me? Anushka Kataria, can you tell me how to separate the variables here? Anushka or Devanshi and Priyanshi, any one of these three people?
Sir,
बोलो.
e raised to power x plus y को e raised to power x into e raised to power y लिख लेंगे.
Okay.
और फिर
लिख लिया.
फिर e raised
अब
सर फिर dy upon e raised to power y equal to e raised to power x into dx.
फिर
सर फिर इंटीग्रेट कर देंगे.
कैसे? लेफ्ट वाला कैसे?
e raised to power minus y into dy.
कितना हुआ इंटीग्रल e raised to power minus y का? How much?
Minus e raised to power minus y.
बिल्कुल, absolutely right. And this will be the answer. E to power x plus e to power minus y plus c equal to 0. You can check the answer. If they have given plus c on the other side, that is no issue, because plus c, if you see the option, probably on the other side only they have given. So no problem. Plus c you can transfer on the right hand side. Minus c, this minus c you can replace by some c dash, suppose. So simple. So here we conclude our method of separation of variables. Very basic method, but very easy method, right? So first of all, we'll try to apply this method only wherever it is possible, right? And if it is not working, then we'll try to apply some other method. Some more methods are there. The next method that we are going to discuss is homogeneous differential equation, and we shall learn that how to solve it. So let us see homogeneous. First let us learn homogeneous function. Then we will see homogeneous differential equation is what. So students, uh, do you know degree concept? Suppose any function is there. This is the function. Can you tell me what is the degree of it, students? Can someone tell me that what is the degree of this function? This is a polynomial function. Students, reply.
2.
Degree is 2. Okay. What is the degree of this? Its degree is 2. Then what is the degree of this? Suppose it is a 2 variable function. What is the degree of this?
1.
Its degree is 1. No. Degree is the highest power of the variable present in the differential equation. It present in the function. So highest power of variable is 2 here. So here also the degree is 2. Suppose another example. Suppose it is f of x comma y and x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 3x plus 4y plus 2. Here what is the degree? Here what is the degree, students? Students, what is the degree of this function?
2.
Here also the degree is 2. Degree is actually the highest power of variable. Degree of algebraic function it is actually. Algebraic function means polynomials, etc. It is highest power of variable. This is degree, right? This you have already studied this kind of things. So what is homogeneous function? Homogeneous function is a function in which, now if you see, this is the degree of function. Now here degree of every term is also there. What is the degree of this term? Bolo, students, what is the degree of this term? This is power 2 here. And what is the degree of this term? So rule ये है कि if 2 variable term is there, then you have to add the powers. So its degree is also 2. Okay. X का degree 1, y का degree 1, तो 1 plus 1. Finally इस term का degree 2 है. What is the degree of this term? Y square. Its degree is also 2. What is the degree of this term? 3x. इसका degree 1 है. 4y term का degree 1 है. 2 का degree 0 है ना? तो term का degree भी होता है. Students, homogeneous function is such a function. It is a function in which degree of every term is same. Okay, in which degree of every term is same. For example, I will give you some examples and tell me which one is homogeneous and which one is not. First one, is this homogeneous?
Yes.
Yes. It is homogeneous. Function, है ना? Homogeneous function. Is this homogeneous?
No.
Second,
No.
not homogeneous it is. And the third one?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
It is homogeneous function. लेकिन ये बात जो है, ये मैंने डेफिनेशन जो लिखी है, ये सिर्फ अल्जेब्राइक फंक्शन के लिए ही अप्लीकेबल है. तो इन ब्रैकेट फॉर अल्जेब्राइक एक्सप्रेशंस, है ना? अल्जेब्राइक मतलब पॉलिनोमियल काइंड ऑफ फंक्शंस. नॉन अल्जेब्राइक भी होते हैं जिनको हम ट्रांसेंडेंटल बोलते हैं, लाइक साइन इनवर्स, कॉस इनवर्स, लॉग, ई रेज़ टू पावर एक्स. ये सब कहलाते हैं ट्रांसेंडेंटल फंक्शंस. इनके लिए ये डिग्री कॉन्सेप्ट अप्लीकेबल नहीं है, बट होमोजेनिटी कॉन्सेप्ट उनके लिए भी होता है. एक और डेफिनेशन देखते हैं. दिस इज डेफिनेशन 1. सेकेंड डेफिनेशन, any function let f of x comma y is a function it is called as homogeneous if it can be written as purely a function of y upon x or x upon y. ठीक है? For example, let this function, if you see, sine of y upon x plus y upon x whole square. If you see this function, so this is, if you put y upon x, in other words, put y upon x as t, then it should be a simple t function. So that also is a homogeneous function here. This is also a definition. ठीक है? एक और एग्जाम्पल ले लेता हूँ. Suppose f is x plus y upon x minus y, right? So here degree you cannot specify. Of course, degree of numerator you can specify, degree of denominator you can specify. This will be if you divide by x, it will become like this. So it is purely a function of y upon x. So it is a homogeneous function. तो समझे आप? तो second definition है that it should be completely a function of y upon x, or x upon y also will do, no problem. We have one more definition of homogeneous function. Third definition, that f of x comma y is homogeneous function if what you do, f of lambda x comma lambda y is equal to lambda raised to power n f of x comma y. N may be any number. So what you do, x in the function x and y you replace with lambda x and lambda y, and then lambda raised to power n should come common, f of x comma y, right? Then the function is also that also is a way to prove the homogeneousness. Next is homogeneous differential equation. ये तो रहा homogeneous function. अब बात है homogeneous differential equation क्या होता है? dy upon dx equal to f of x comma y differential equation is called as homogeneous differential equation HDE if what happens, if f of x comma y is a homogeneous function. Correct? So how you will check whether any differential equation is homogeneous differential equation or not? Differential equation first you write in this style, this form, and then the right hand side function should be a homogeneous function. So three methods are there. Any of the three methods you can use to prove the homogeneity. Now let us learn that how to solve it, how to solve this kind of differential equation. Variable separation is easiest method, जो हमने 9.4 में किया कि y के terms in one side and the x terms should be in the other side, वो easiest method है, but हर जगह possible नहीं है ना? हर जगह पे आप try करके देख सकते हैं. अभी जो मैंने equations जो functions लिखे उनके आगे आप dy upon dx लिख दीजिए, फिर detach करने की कोशिश कीजिए x and y को, तो easy नहीं है हर वक्त इतना. तो let us learn that how to solve homogeneous differential equation. Method to solve. Step by step work is there. Step 1. Okay, step 1 is that substitute y equals to vx. Some other variable you take v and let y equal to vx. Okay. Then in this differential equation, when you replaced y, then dy upon dx will also be replaced. So can you tell me how much will be dy upon dx? You have to find from here. So dy upon dx will be, here you have to apply product rule of differentiation. So v as it is x derivative 1 plus x as it is v derivative with respect to x will be dv upon dx. That also you have to substitute. So these two substitutions you have to make. Okay, then step 2, what is the benefit of putting these two things? If you substitute these two things, what will happen? Equation will become variable separable. Now solve it by separation of variables, separating the variables, and you will see that variable separation now it will be possible after making these two substitutions, right? So shuru kiya jaye, let us begin. Let us apply this method in some of the questions. All the students, please get ready for your next exercise, exercise 9.5, and have a look please on 9.5 exercise. Someone from B section, will you read first question of 9.5? Chanchal Kumari, will you?
Yes, sir.
Chanchal, 9.5, first question.
In bracket x square plus xy dy equals to in bracket x square plus y square dx.
In beginning any question is written, any line is written, what we have to do, any instruction?
Show that the given differential equation is homogeneous and solve each of them.
Okay, so we have to first prove that it is homogeneous differential equation and we have to solve. Yes, first, what is that? Now you read. Can you repeat?
In bracket x square plus xy bracket close dy equals to in bracket x square plus y square dx.
Okay. So first I have to prove it is homogeneous differential equation. If you see the step by step method that we have written, let first equation was dy upon dx equal to fy. ये लिख लीजिएगा if you have missed. Let differential equation is. So first thing is that your differential equation should be in this form. Dy upon dx in one side and remaining things on the other side. So it is not in our standard form. Let us bring it in this form. Dy upon dx equal to x square plus y square whole upon x square plus xy. Now we have three methods. Method 1, you can write in words that numerator वो भी चलता है ना कि numerator is a homogeneous function of degree 2 and denominator is also homogeneous function of degree 2. So the ratio will also be a homogeneous function of degree 2. One way. Second method, you can divide by x square in numerator and denominator and you can make purely a function of y upon x. Third way, f of lambda x comma lambda y is equal to lambda raised to power n fxy. Any method which you like you can use here. I am going to divide by x square in both numerator and denominator and it will become y 1 plus y square upon x square whole upon 1 plus y upon x. Right. Now you can see that this is purely a function of y upon x. Purely a function of y upon x. So it is homogeneous. Students, they are asking us first to prove that it is homogeneous. Yes. Okay. So this is proved it is homogeneous. So you also please first prove that it is homogeneous फर्स्ट पॉइंट. अब शुरू करते हैं सॉल्व करना. बताओ मुझे क्या करना चाहिए. इफ यू रिमेंबर वी हैव रिटन द स्टेप बाय स्टेप मेथड. आदिल खान,
Sir,
यू
by
आर
equal
जॉइंड.
to Vx,
हाँ बोलो. यस.
by equal to Vx for differentiation, then dy by dx equals to V plus x or dv by dx.
Exactly. Already written in board. These two things to be done. Do it. Begin.
Yes, Dolby. Pratham is there. Pratham. Dilip, Avas. Pratham.
Pratham Dilip Kawas, are you listening me? I think he is not there.
He is not there.
Yes. Yeah. Making substitution. Dy upon dx. Putting dy upon dx equals to Vx. Putting y equals to Vx and dy upon dx equal to V plus x dv upon dx. So if you do it, it will become V plus x dv upon dx. है ना. dy upon dx की जगह मैंने रख दिया and here x square plus y की जगह पे Vx square. Now x square common and cancelled from numerator and from denominator. So x dv upon dx equal to this v we can shift on the other side, right? And let us take LCM. And now you can see that very easily we can take LCM. And here v square get cancelled and it remains 1 minus v upon 1 plus v. I can separate the variables. So 1 plus v upon 1 minus v dv equal to dx upon x. Attach integral sign on both the sides plus c. Students, how to integrate it? I can, what should I? Minus I am taking out and I am doing v plus 1, v minus 1 dv equal to log x plus c. Right. Then this v minus 1 plus 2 I will do. Is it visible? Visible. Equal to log x plus c. And this will become minus 1 plus 2 upon v minus 1 dv.
Board is not visible, sir.
हाँ थोड़ा सा कट रहा है. प्लस लॉग इक्वल टू लॉग एक्स प्लस सी ही लिखा था, ज्यादा कुछ नहीं. अब मैं इसको इंटीग्रेट कर लेता हूं. 1 का इंटीग्रल dv के साथ v प्लस 2 log v माइनस 1 इक्वल टू log x प्लस c. ओके, बट v तो हमने अपने साइड से सब्स्टिट्यूट किया है, तो v की वैल्यू कितनी स्टूडेंट्स? v will be y upon x. Put it here and that will be your final answer. Minus y upon x minus 2 log y upon x minus 1 is equal to log x plus c. Right? So all the students please complete it and check it, the answer. They might